Today we're checking out the Boundary Racing Pump's Billet oil pump gears for the 2011 and newer Mustang GT and Dark Horse. If you're pushing your engine hard or adding power with boost or serious bolt-on upgrades, then these gears are a cheap insurance against that stock oil pump letting go and causing engine damage, so they're definitely worth checking out. This setup is going to replace the factory-powered metal pump gears with a billet set designed to survive high RPMs and big power. Proudly manufactured right here in the US at Boundary's Dallas, Texas facility, these are rated for stable operation up to 9,000 RPM and builds making up to 2,000 wheel horsepower, with improved efficiency and less friction when you compare them to the stock. Their design is focused on keeping pressure and flow steady even when you're pushing the car as hard as you can out there at the track. So your bearings and the valve train aren't relying on a marginal oil supply even when it's under extreme load. This is a direct fit gear set for the factory style Coyote pump found in the 2011 and newer GT and Mustang Dark Horse models. So you're not trying to adapt something for another application, and it's gonna help simplify that install process. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting gears machined from indestructible chromoly cores, treated with Boundary's cold flow surface hardening process, and finished to a mirrored polish. The chromoly core gives the gears a very tough and impact-resistant backbone, while the surface hardening and the polishing help reduce friction and wear at the gear faces. Each inner and outer gear set is machined and matched together. Then it's inspected before it leaves the facility, so you're dropping in a precision piece rather than some generic off-the-shelf gear. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that mid $200 price range. Considering what's at stake if a stock gear decides to fail, that oil pressure loss or the potential engine damage, this is a relatively small investment for a part that's built to live at high RPMs and high power levels. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in just 1 hour of your time once you're inside that engine. This job can be pretty involved, so if you aren't 100% confident in your own abilities, go ahead and hire a professional to get this job done right for you. Alright, well that's going to wrap up my review of the Boundary Racing Pump's Billet oil pump gears for the 2011 and newer Mustang GT and Dark Horse. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.